Cortisol is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands, often referred to as the body's primary stress hormone. It plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, blood sugar levels, and the body's response to stress. For adults over 35, maintaining balanced cortisol levels becomes especially important, as it can influence energy levels, mood stability, and overall well-being. When cortisol is in balance, it helps you stay alert and focused, but chronic imbalances may lead to fatigue, irritability, or other health concerns. Understanding cortisol's impact can be key to supporting long-term health and vitality. After the age of 35, high cortisol levels can manifest in several noticeable ways. You might find yourself struggling to fall asleep or waking up frequently during the night, even when you feel exhausted. Increased belly fat that seems resistant to diet and exercise is another common sign. Mood swings may become more frequent, making it harder to manage stress or maintain a positive outlook. Many people also describe feeling tired but wired, where their bodies feel fatigued but their minds remain restless and alert throughout the day. Elevated cortisol levels in midlife are often linked to a combination of chronic stress, inadequate sleep, and certain lifestyle habits. Adults between the ages of 35 and 60 frequently face unique pressures, such as career demands, family responsibilities, and financial concerns, all of which can contribute to ongoing stress. Poor sleep, whether due to busy schedules or health changes, further disrupts the body's ability to regulate cortisol. Additionally, habits like insufficient physical activity, unhealthy eating, or excessive caffeine intake can exacerbate these effects. These factors make midlife a particularly vulnerable period for cortisol imbalance, impacting both physical and mental well-being. Managing cortisol levels and supporting hormone balance can often be achieved through simple, natural strategies. Mindful breathing exercises, such as taking slow, deep breaths, can help calm the nervous system and reduce stress. Incorporating regular movement, whether it's a daily walk or gentle stretching, supports overall well-being. Eating balanced meals with a variety of whole foods provides essential nutrients for hormone health. Finally, making rest a priority by setting aside time for relaxation and ensuring adequate sleep can make a significant difference in how your body manages stress. In conclusion, it's important to listen to your body and recognize when you need support. Even small changes in your daily routine can contribute to long-term wellness and help balance cortisol levels. Remember, achieving hormonal balance is possible through gentle, consistent steps rather than drastic measures. By prioritizing self-care and seeking guidance when necessary, you can foster a healthier, more resilient lifestyle. Trust in your ability to make gradual improvements and embrace the journey toward better well-being.